If your tomato plants have just started growing fruit, you're entering the most important stage of the season. A few simple steps right now can help you grow larger, sweeter, healthier tomatoes with fewer problems.
In reality, this is when your tomato plants need the most nourishment. As each new tomato develops, the plant uses a tremendous amount of energy. Without the right nutrients, you could end up with smaller tomatoes, slower ripening, and a much lighter harvest. The good news is that you don't need expensive fertilizers. Today, I'll show you a simple homemade plant booster made with everyday kitchen ingredients that can help keep your tomatoes healthy and produce plenty of delicious tomatoes.
You'll need 1/2 liter of lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water as it can reduce the effectiveness of the ingredients. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Yogurt provides beneficial bacteria to support a healthy soil microbiome. 1 tablespoon wood ash. Wood ash is an excellent traditional source of potassium, which is essential for fruit development and ripening.
1 tablespoon garlic powder or freshly crushed garlic. Garlic has been used by generations of gardeners to discourage pests and suppress fungal issues around the root zone. Here's how to make it. Pour the lukewarm water into a container, then whisk in the plain yogurt until it is completely dissolved. Add wood ash and garlic powder or finely crushed fresh garlic and mix well. Allow the mixture to sit for several hours so the ingredients can release their beneficial nutrients. Once it is steeped, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve to remove any solid particles.
Combine the strained concentrate with an additional 1/2 liter, about 2 cups, of fresh water. Your homemade tomato nutrient solution is now ready to apply. Pour about 1 cup of the solution directly around the base of each tomato plant. For maximum results during the peak fruiting season, you can repeat this treatment every 2 to 3 weeks. Have you ever used garlic in your garden? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.